In this video tutorial, we'll illustrate the steps involved in connecting your servers as deployment targets within Cyclops. This process is referred to as host registration, and its main focus is to connect your servers with Cyclops. Hosts in Cyclops are used to represent the concept of the target server that is used to apply your application's deployment setup. To do so, it is essential to get SSH access from Cyclops to your server. There are two options to register your host in Cyclops. Run a command from inside your server's console or fill in the respective form in Cyclops platform. Let's have a look at how you can register your hosts using the option of the Cyclops Create Host a Form. To add a new host to your Cyclops account, navigate to the inventory page from the main menu on the left sidebar. Click on the Create Host button. There, you'll see the two options for host registration. Following the Create Host a Form option, enter the server's details in the provided fields. Let's go through the form fields. IP address. This is the public IP address of your server, which must be accessible to Cyclops. Jump host. Select this option if you want to make your host a bastion, jump, host. Host name. This is the name you want to use for your server. Environment. Choose the environment that your host belongs to. Register host. Here, you can either select to fill in the SSH credentials username and password, or the username and SSH key option. In case you choose the SSH key option, in the Register Host field, make sure that you have already created an SSH key for it. You can do this in the SSH Keys menu item located under your account's name in the main menu. Copy the SSH key created by Cyclops and add it in your trusted SSH keys in your host. Once you have filled in all the details, hit the Create button and wait for a few minutes for Cyclops to connect to your server and perform the necessary tasks. Congratulations! Your host has been successfully created and registered with Cyclops.